is the news nobody wants to hear. In 2024, an estimated 2 million people in the United States were diagnosed with cancer. The good news, cancer treatments are improving and deaths are decreasing. And now high-quality treatment is available even closer to the Suncoast. Dr. Vania Phuoc is here to tell us about the new Moffitt Cancer Center at SouthShore that's opening soon. Great to see you.
Thank you for having me.
Tell us about SouthShore and what type of services will be offered.
Yes, so people come from all over the state of Florida to Moffitt for high-quality cancer care, and Moffitt saw the demand, especially in the South Shore area and further south in southern Florida from Sarasota and beyond, and we wanted to meet the needs of the community. I'm excited to see how Moffitt South Shore will improve access to high-quality cancer care with greater convenience and efficiency across all cancer specialties, and patients will also have the opportunity to receive cutting-edge cancer treatments closer to home.
Oh, and as you know, the traffic is difficult and repeated appointments get stressful. So this is a wonderful thing that Moffitt is doing, and we appreciate that. Will there be diagnostic appointments available as well? Mostly treatment appointments? How is it going to work in terms of with the main campus in Tampa?
Yes, so Moffitt South Shore will have advanced diagnostic technologies as well as treatment capabilities. Moffitt South Shore is excited to offer clinical trials across many different cancer types at this site. And these clinical trials at the forefront of oncology help us to define the gold standards of cancer treatment.
That's wonderful that people in this location will have the opportunity to participate in things they might not otherwise.
Yep, and patients, of course, are also able to receive the latest in chemotherapy, immunotherapy, targeted therapies. Patients can get radiation treatments for all cancer types at the site with modern techniques. Moffitt South Shore will also offer comprehensive radiology services from PET scans to MRIs to breast cancer screening and diagnostic imaging, so they can really get state-of-the-art cancer diagnostic testing and treatment all in one place.
Is this something that we'll need to make sure our diagnosing or regular physicians here know about, or will we be able to make appointments there without referral?
Yes, so they're able to make appointments without referral, and my clinical specialties are both benign and malignant hematology, so non-cancer and cancer-related blood disorders. So with that, I actually end up seeing a lot of patients that are undiagnosed. So they'll come in with abnormal blood work results like showing anemia or low blood counts, or come in with abnormal imaging results showing an enlarged lymph node or tumor growth or mass concerning for a cancer. And the local providers may have questions as to what the next best steps are for the patient. That's where I come in and I get their whole history and get a sense of their story, and I see it from a more cancer and blood focused perspective. And I'm able to guide them in their journey to hopefully reach a final diagnosis and treatment plan. Or I'm able to refer them to one of my colleagues who may be a specialist at Moffitt in a different field if that initial evaluation ends up finding something that's outside of my scope of practice. And that's one of the beautiful things about Moffitt South Shore, because we're able to easily expand access to care and provide diverse specialty care across the spectrum. And we're able to see a much wider spectrum of patients than before and really provide just comprehensive cancer care closer to home.
And I think it's got to be a great peace of mind for lots of people who may live further south, knowing that there's so many options now, what, 50 miles closer?
Oh yes, absolutely. That's our main goal, to bring really all of the expertise from all of the Moffitt physicians and bring that care to the community.
All right, well, thank you for migrating a little bit further south for more options for the community you serve. We certainly appreciate that. This is great news for our area. The new Moffitt Cancer Center at South Shore is located just off I-75 at the Sun City Center exit, and it'll be opening on January 27th. You can learn more by going to moffitt.org/South Shore opening. We'll be right back.